give it a ride, gotta give it a try, little honey, 'cause I've got my eyes on you. Just roll with it, you gotta fly with it. Don't waste my time, 'cause I'm tormented, yeah. Should this happen?
Hey, what's up guys? Big Will here over at Lethal Limbs Academy. I'm Martin Way, Lacey, Washington. I just want to give a quick shout out to Amino Pro Plus. I've been using it for about a month now. I'm a bigger guy, a little bit around 250, about 6'8", so I've had a bunch of knee and ankle and joint pains my whole life being bigger. So I've used it for about a month now. I'm noticing a lot of reduced pain in my knees, a little bit more, I would call it like lubrication in the joints, where it doesn't take me as long to get warmed up. When I wake up in the morning, I don't have as much injuries or pain or just like bad feelings in the joints, and it's just one of those things that's kind of like helps supplement my training and just make me, I think, perform better. Another thing that I like about it is that when you look on the label, you know what's inside the bottle. As oftentimes you go to a nutrition shop or maybe like a GNC or something like that, you flip the thing over and you look in the back and you don't even know what's in it. It'll say proprietary blend or just, you know, some other hogwash or something. But with the Amino Pro Plus, at least you know all of everything that's in it, every branch of amino acid, every strand of protein, every vitamin, every mineral, every macronutrient, every micronutrient. Like, they tell you everything that's in that bottle, so you know what you're getting. Price is good, service is good, quality is good. So overall, thumbs up for Amino Pro Plus. Thanks from Big Will.